This whole another boutique video, man. Man, I've been gone, man. I gotta explain my bad, man. I've been gone, man. I've been gone for a little minute, not gonna lie. But look, man, I gotta try my first tap, man. Gotta blow it. Let me get a blanket for y'all boys, man. Chill a blanket, man. Here we go. Yo, what's up, man? What the fuck? It's your boy TJ need help. I'm in Galveston right now, man, but I still got that yard. Hey, man, let's get one hit for y'all boys. I was tapped out. Got some blinkers on it. What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy TJ in this house, man. That was another boutique by switch video, man. You know, at the boutique V5 switch, man. You know, and I'm gonna get in the shower after I hit this hoe, man. So you know what's up, man. Let's hit this hoe, man. Wrong. That was wrong flavor. Alright, let's try it now. Yo, man, that's the first blinker, man. First blinker of the day. Boy, I'm hoping to see it different. Man, my bad, y'all. I've been gone for a little minute, man. I ain't mean to be gone for that long, dude. I got this yard, man. I'm gonna go get y'all one. Boutique V5 switch, man. Anyway, man, you know, y'all ain't having no things like me, nigga. I ain't gonna get y'all one, though. What is y'all doing? Oh, bullshit, boy. Go get y'all a boutique switch. V5, man. I've been gone for a little minute, man. My bad, man. I've been trying to post and shit, but you know, shit just been going on. Damn, man, I'm overly fried already. Man, we went everywhere, man. We just came from the Rainforest Cafe. Then we in Galveston, nigga. We just got here. I'm not even in Houston right now. I'm in Galveston. That shit crazy. Yeah, man, y'all just know what's going on, man. Let me get y'all like 3 more blinkers for y'all. I got y'all. Y'all ready? sorry, y'all. That shit hit my chest a little too hard. I'm gonna catch y'all when I got the shower out, man. Bye. We at Walmart in this whole man. We at Walmart in this whole man. We're looking for the restaurant. We're looking for the restaurant. Bro, the restaurant, man. Oh, you see it? You said it was right here. Oh yeah, we found it. Yeah, we found it. Let's go. We found it. Yes, sir. Getting this out, man. Hey, New York. Yeah. Hold on.
You been hot this whole time?
Yeah, yeah.
Even that Rainforest Cafe? That's why he was acting like that.
Clearly, this is how much to talk. So we just did our shit, man. Bro. Oh, my baby. Bro, you seen that nigga looking at us, bro? Why y'all had to open the door like that, bro?
I'm trying to that EOS.
Bro, that nigga want some EOS lotion, bro. Why you want some EOS lotion, bro? What's wrong with you? Bro, no, it's not that good, son. Of course it's not. That shit not that good. Word to my bro, nigga. Like I said, I tried. Yeah, she got me. I know that she lied. So bitch ass up.
DJ, bro, put that shit in your drawer.
Alright. Said that you love me, I know that you lie. Man, we in there family in Walmart, man. Alright, so nobody realized me. It's been a minute since I posted me. I was gone. I was trying to work for myself. Bro, where they at, bro?
DJ, stop recording it over here.
Alright, bro.
DJ,
Bro,
DJ, put the fucking camera.
Man, I was literally on top of this whole. You can see everything up here, man. I still got my yard with me. Good, man. Man, I've been having all this time, but I ain't really been with something like that. Man, I've been gone for a minute, man. Don't mind. I took a little break, G. But you know, I've been traveling, man. I'm sorry. I've been traveling. I've been trying to get back on the road. You feel me? I've been doing all types of shit. You see See how I'm living. See how I'm living. See how I'm living though. Now look at my dreads, bro. My dreads so tough. I'm on my balcony, man. You feel me? Yeah, bro. Me on Galveston, man. We was traveling this whole little way, but I just did it, bro. I came to Galveston, bro. We was supposed to come to the beach and shit, but shit, we just chilling right now. Feel me? I was like, shit, why not shoot a video on her? You know, I ain't shot a video in a minute, bro. All this shit happened. So yeah, man, my little birthday in this house, man. We in Galveston, twin. Hell yeah. But May, bro, May, jerking your baby, I love you, you know, taking your baby, still taking your baby. Bro, you look beautiful ass.
Hey, they can't play around.
Bro, Galveston is beautiful if you think about it. I just can't be from here, I ain't gonna lie, they should do down here. A nigga ain't got no choice but to be in the streets down here.
Yeah, well, let's just. Let me go to the $5. I'm playing. I was trying to record it.
I'm going to the car to get something, man, you know. Let's go. Get it. No reason to go. Hey, when you smell my ass on the car? Fuck, this nigga here.
Hey guys.
It's
I don't have
in my pocket. Hold on. Alright. We running, y'all. Wait. Fuck. I'm running up for the sunrise. You say on Nick, goofy.
No, I'm talking about the kid from Gettin.
Get in the way, bitch. Yeah, he's trying to keep the car, dude.
Same thing, right here.
Nigga, unlock the door.
I know. Oh, I forgot about
Dumb niggas like this. I just found it. Alright. Goddamn. When I get here from a young poppy, with a Boutiq B5 in my wallet. Oh shit. I had the wrong flavor, y'all. I'm sipping this one. I'm so lazy. Oh yeah, I heard that shit. Bitch, we gonna run anyway. Hell yeah. Why we can't run?
Nigga, boy,
We don't run, we chase.
I was fucking live in my feet. Yeah, for sure. I'm trying to fix this. Well, last piece of